Hi, and welcome to the Strata Choice Owners Portal. Let me take you through some of the great features this site has to offer. Firstly, let's look at your building profile. Here you'll find all your property information, including levy notices, forms and resources, and all things financial. In your personal profile, you can set notifications and update your privacy options. The document library houses all your building information in one easy-to-search folder. In the document library, invoice approvers can easily track and approve them in their own secured location. Committee members have the ability to access, generate and download any financial report. The Services tab is a one-stop shop for all your resources such as applications and levy payments. And remember, your Strata Manager is always available